little super. There we go with the super speed again. All right.
Forward.
And the kick in the afterburners, folks. Holy shit. Well, that's nothing. Wait till we start floating in the air. That's really cool. Oh, yeah. Everything will be floating. You'll be in the water and in the sky. All kind of crazy shit. And
Can't wait. I love it.
you know, Call of Duty said piss on it. Everybody's moving too slow. Let's speed things up a little bit. Damn, I gotta pull my, have you noticed that,
UAV
slow
inbound.
down again. Well, that's boring. Okay, dude, I just shot that guy. And nothing.
Wait.
Oh, there we go.
Lightning strike
I'm
coordinates
fine.
received inbound.
I'm floating.
From last time. Hey, wait a minute. I don't even have my gun now. It took my rifle away from me. Like, you know what? We're not going to give you your rifle. What in the is going on here?
Forgot the parachutes.
Hey, I'm running backwards. I push forward and run backwards. Now it's not even moving. I'm not even doing nothing. It's doing it on its own.
Reloaded itself.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Apparently I have to go left to go right.
Mine's just floating.